to explain to me to is I just visited Ohio and I got this rental house. Bro, I let this cat in. Look what it's doing. But what?
It's like a mistake. Someone could trip and fall and then
Stupid. I can't even pick her up.
we won't be able to fix the food.
Come on. And anyways, we're going to try to pet her. No?
I've been preserving my energy, and now I can go fast.
Okay. You're gonna bite me. You're definitely gonna bite me. I'm gonna get rabies. Okay. We're not gonna try it. Yeah. What is that? I think it's gonna crap. Honestly, it's probably gonna crap. It's licking his ass.
You made the mistake, you idiot. You should have picked Devin.
Oh,
Devin would be dead by now.
Yeah.
I kissed it. Okay. So, for now,
I'm gonna put it down for
I'm
7.
gonna end recording. I'm probably gonna be.
I told you.
Tries to end recording. Okay, I think I ended my time.
Get up! Up! You fucked himself.
Why didn't you just leave it?
Told you.
Realize that I am still recording. Oh, damn. Oh, I just recorded that.